Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. So our first day at port, which we are at Nassau, Bahamas. You can't really see much. We're still moving. We're about to port. You see a boat right there that looks like a Royal Caribbean boat, Majesty of the Sea. And that's the Bahamas over there. So we don't have to be at our excursion until 11 o'clock. So it's like 7:30 right now. So of course my body woke me up at 7:30 in the morning. So last night was so much fun. So we saw the onboard show, and that was so fun. You guys have to see it. But the only thing is, it's so late at night, which I guess I understand, because I guess people are eating anywhere between 5:45 and like 10. So it was at 10 o'clock, and it was a really good show, really fun. I laughed a lot. And then we were planning to go to the Punchliner yesterday, so they had like a little comedy show, and the onboarding show ended at 11, so there was about 30 minutes between that show and the Punchliner show. And you guys, we came back to the room and it was a done deal. We were ready to go to bed. So my body's just on a schedule. It is what it is. This is the schedule that my body's on. So anyways, I got up at 7 o'clock without an alarm clock, of course. And I just have this little outfit, this little free flowy outfit right now on. And we're gonna gather our belongings and kind of tidy up a bit, and then head down to the Lido deck so we can have breakfast. So I need some coffee. Gotta have my coffee. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Again, I'm doing the most. So I have this yummy omelet. I saw this last, so I got like a pile of food over here that I'm still gonna eat, okay? But I have my omelet, so I got to choose the toppings in there. I have the guava juice and some coffee and fruit. Might have just enjoyed this. We gotta pick up the pace because we have to be off the boat soon. So anyway, let's enjoy breakfast. Beautiful. Bahamas day. Oh, you gotta get the full effect with the glasses. A little iffy about these glasses, but I think in pictures it'll be cute. So, ooh, I need a tan because you see my belly is a different color from my legs, but anyways, cut it out. Need my sunglasses. We out here. Wanna buy what? The excursion that we took is called the Native Quest. First, we did a tour, and it was a tour slash scavenger hunt. So they would say a few things, and then we had a piece of paper. We tried to find the things that they said were on the paper.
And you will also find little chunks of the coconut inside it as you drink it, alright?
Sweetened condensed milk and gin. So good.
Yeah, keep up all day.
Here we go! After which we broke up into 3 teams and we played beach games. We played about 3 to 4 beach games, and that took the bulk of the time. We also sampled the local cuisine and drinks and had some beach time.
5, 4, 3.
Good job. Yeah!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. This is perfect. It turned out so beautiful. Oh, there are all kind of fish in here. Wow. I just want to give a shout out to Leroy, Natasha, and Nash. Thank you for making this excursion a lot of fun. We enjoyed ourselves. It was a lot of fun. They wore us out, but they fed us and gave us shots and drinks, so can't complain too bad. Back to the ship so we can refresh and refuel. We have a little friend, a little elephant friend. How cute. We are back and it's hot and I'm tired, but we had a good time. Elegant nights.
Member of the Information Society. That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information
Now you're doing the
Society.
Joker smile. Did anytime dining, so the wait for a table was pretty long, so they gave us a buzzer and told us to wait in the atrium, but thankfully it was the night of the Motown trivia and it was one of my favorite shows, so it was a really good time.
What is it? My guy, that is correct, ma'am. Come on up to the steps of man. Going on to question 4. Sing it, sing it's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright to have a good time.
It's alright. Oh, it's alright.
Give yourself a round of applause.
Break it down.
If you're having a good time, make some noise, ladies.
Dress up dinner. So we just got back from dinner. Sorry, I didn't vlog too much because we had people like basically sitting at our elbows, and I just didn't want to have the camera all out and everything kind of be rude. But anyway, so we're back in the cabin right now. I don't know why I'm looking like this. That was so crazy. Anyway, so we're back in the cabin right now, and then they gave us more of the fun times thingy bobber that tells us exactly what's going on tomorrow. But also I got a little card, and even though I didn't put on there that it was my birthday, because technically it's not, my birthday is August 2nd and today's like the 13th or the 14th, I don't know, we're in the Bahamas, I don't know the date, but they still gave me a little happy birthday card. That is so nice of them. Raquel, happy birthday cruise, hope you have tons of fun. Oh, a free Pixels gift. Cool. Pick up your gift at the Pixels Gallery. Cool. So I get a gift. Well, that was very nice of them to still give me a happy birthday, even though I didn't take a birthday cruise on my birthday. It's my birthday month, and basically it was like, I don't know, 10 days ago. I love this dress so much. Anyway, bye. Outfit change yet again. I'm getting kind of sick. Ew. What do I feel? Motion sickness. Anyway, we're about to head to the comedy club right now, the Punchliner. It's on deck 8 on the Sensation. So we're about to head there.
How we doing? We good? Oh God, you look really good. Jesus. How we feeling? Our spirits high? We're just high on spirits. Number 2. I like it. I was like to ask this. Who in the room is married? Make some noise. Who in the room is single? Listen to that, married people. That is happiness. This is where you text your ex-girlfriend. This is where you didn't go from you, me and my girl. Me and my ex-girlfriend, we went to bed once. We were happy, nothing was wrong. We went to bed. All good.
So I said to the older gentleman, I said, did you ever think of divorce? He said, never. Murder a couple of times. Because married people know about that. Married people watch cold case files different than single people. Married people go, oh. You ever notice a real difference between men and women?
Getting some late night food. Late night food.
And so I came to hear
The Punchliner. The Punchliner is what it's called. It's called the Punchliner.